Okay, start reading with the help of the, okay, the beginning lines. We have to create a story, right? So now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just read out.
मैम मैम क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ना है?
नहीं क्वेश्चन नहीं है बेटा, that are the beginning lines.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Enjoying a cup of tea while sitting on my balcony a Sunday morning, suddenly a deep pain on my chest. I thought that this was the last moment of my life. I wanted to call my daughter, my husband, and everybody to say final goodbye, but couldn't do so. I would. I was thinking of their life without me. I was just worried what would happen to them if I collapsed. I just prayed, oh God, I give me some more time. I thought about my daughter who was in the first year of her college life. I had always thought of giving her a wonderful life in which she had all her dreams fulfilled. Then my thoughts shifted towards to my husband would be able to live without me. He was so used to me around him all the time. Suddenly, a thought came to my mind, you have to live. You can't die like this. Get up, do something. I tried to call my family again, but it was as if I was dumb. No words came out of my mouth. I knew I should not lose my wits. I must do something to keep going until my family noticed me. Suddenly, my eyes fell on my mobile phone on the table nearby. I picked it up and dialed 102. I don't remember what I happened after that. When I awoke, I found myself in a hospital room with a team of doctors bending over me and watching me. Later, I was told that I had been carried in an ambulance to a multi-specialty hospital at the nick of time. Delay would have been fatal for me. I was happy I could still see this wonderful world. I immediately decided to give my best to my family as life is short lived.
Okay, fine, good. Now see, the outlines means the beginning lines have been given, and from the help of the beginning lines, we have created a story. Okay, so similar beginning lines will be given to you in the board exam. Is this Anu Podar a student of class 10th? Yes, students. Anu
No,
Podar, not the student
10th,
of class 10th.
10th B में
Ma'am, 10th C.
She is not answering. Anu Podar.
Ma'am, he is not connected with audio.
Okay. So, beta, this kind of stories you will be, okay, getting it. You won't be getting the outlines as you used to get, na, small phrases. You got it? Few words and then dash again, few words as you used to get it earlier. Okay, till 8th class you might have done a cunning fox or a thirsty crow इस तरह की. लेकिन अब जो है level थोड़ा सा high हो जाता है and you do not get, okay, those kinds of outlines, but you get the beginning lines, okay, of the story. Now see, one story I'm going to read you, okay, and you are going to create, means you are going to draft a story with the help of those lines. An old man had two daughters. Write down. Question number 2. An old man had two daughters. Put today's date. It's a beautiful story, okay, if you remember. And if you can create a new one, that's good. An old man had two daughters. Full stop. He loved both of them. He loved both of them. Once he asked them, once he asked them, and then few dashes are there. It means you are going to continue the story. Clear? The beginning lines have been given, and now you are going to continue the story. You are going to create an interesting story. Will you be able to create, beta? Will you be able to make your own story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this you are going to create, and tomorrow we are going to discuss it. Got it? You can draft a small story, an interesting one. Use your wits, use your thoughts, your ideas, and create a very good story out of the beginning lines that are given to you. Got it? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Take one more. Question number 3. Night before the zonal debate competition. Night before the zonal debate competition. Comma. I was practicing. I was practicing. I was practicing my debate till late night. Full stop. Everyone was fast asleep. Everyone was fast asleep. Full stop. Even I was planning to sleep. Everyone was fast asleep. Full stop. Even I was planning to sleep. Full stop. Suddenly. And then dashes means you are going to continue. Clear? समझ में
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
बेटा? हाँ, अब सडनली के बाद है ना, आपके खुद के ओन थॉट्स आइडियाज जो भी हैं आप यूज करिए एंड राइट डाउन. तरुण, why do you join the class so late? There is no use of joining the class at 8:20.
मैम हमारे पास ना था.
क्या था?
मैम फोन लेट आता मैम.
क्यों?
मैम वैसे तो मैं हमारे मैम ट्यूशन का टाइम है मैम 8 से मैम.
तो आप ट्यूशन ही
आज मैम
करिए ना, फिर क्लास की कहाँ जरूरत है आपको? Tuition is much more important than classes, beta. The courses are going on. Now see, children, a message you might have received on the WhatsApp group regarding the question paper. Okay. Have you read the message? Have you read the
Yes, ma'am.
message received regarding
Yes,
the
ma'am.
half-yearly exam? Now listen
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
instructions. Listen to the instructions very carefully. Okay. Tarun, switch off the camera. Now the notice, it goes as, dear students, half-yearly exam will be conducted from 12/12/20. Okay. Means your half-yearly exams, you are going to begin from 12th of December. Right? ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Students need to follow the instructions given below while attempting the exam. Students have to mention their full name, class, and section on each page of answer sheet. Clear or not? Again, I'm repeating. Students have to mention their full name. Full name, you got it? First and the last name. है ना? Name or surname. Class and section on each page of answer sheet. समझ में आया आपको? आंसर शीट के हर पेज पर आप अपना नेम, क्लास, सेक्शन मेंशन करेंगे. On answer sheet,
Yes, ma'am.
student should mention page number clearly. This is very important. Answer sheet पर students page number mention करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? On the right hand corner. While attempting both objective and subjective type questions, students only have to write answer with correct question number. There is no need to write down the questions. Only the answers should be written and the correct number, question number should be put. समझ में आया? 1, 2, 3 यानी answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 and so on. You do not require to copy down or write down the question. सुन लेना ध्यान से, क्वेश्चन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. After completion of the exam, students need to take clear picture of the answer sheet in PDF format and send it to the respective subject teacher on the WhatsApp number. Nisha Upadhyay, why have you joined the class for 5 minutes?
हम लेट हो गए.
लेट हो गए, इतना लेट हो गए बेटा?
सॉरी मैम.
नीरज शोभानी, बहुत जल्दी आ गए नीरज. Okay, now listen. What I said, after completion of the exam, students need to take clear picture of the answer sheet in PDF format and send it to the respective subject teacher on their WhatsApp number. समझ गए? एग्जाम जब कंप्लीट हो जाए उसके बाद उसकी क्लियर पिक्चर लेंगे आप आंसर शीट की PDF फॉर्मेट में और अपने रिस्पेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स को उनके व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर भेजेंगे. Students will get, now see the time, 1 hour 30 minutes for attempting the exam. After that, the paper will be unpublished. पेपर अनपब्लिश हो जाएगा. 1 hour 30 minutes के बाद पेपर अनपब्लिश हो जाएगा, ध्यान रखिएगा. And no responses will be accepted further. Okay? कोई रिस्पॉन्स, कोई रिक्वेस्ट कुछ भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगी. So make sure that you complete the paper within the given time. Timing 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Clear? Timing है सुबह 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Students can submit the paper till 8:40. Extra 10 minutes are given for making PDF of your answer sheet. Students जो है अपना पेपर 8:40 तक सबमिट करेंगे. 10 minutes आपको मिलेंगे PDF बनाने के. Write your full name in the title of the PDF. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
The points are clear, everybody? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
सिर्फ
Yes.
ma'am.
1.5 hour मिलेगा आपको, अनपब्लिश हो जाएगा अपने आप पेपर. Got it? और 10 minutes आपको मिलेंगे, ठीक है ना, जिसमें PDF बना के आंसर शीट की आप सेंड करेंगे. Okay? So study well, study very well for your exams. Work hard.